From the moment we first harnessed the power of the internet, our world changed. Information became accessible at the speed of light. We could connect with anyone, anywhere, in an instant. But this access isn't universal. Many remain unconnected, living in digital darkness. Satellite internet offers a bold solution. It promises to bring high-speed internet to even the most remote corners of our planet. Imagine a world where location is no longer a barrier to knowledge, opportunity, or connection. This is the promise of satellite internet. By beaming internet signals from space, we can bypass the limitations of traditional infrastructure. This technology has the potential to revolutionize education, healthcare, and countless other industries. But how exactly does it work? Let's picture a satellite orbiting our planet. This satellite receives signals from a ground station, a kind of Earth-based control center. The ground station passes the internet data to the satellite. The satellite, in turn, beams this data back down to a satellite dish at your home. This dish acts like a catcher's mitt, grabbing the signal from the vastness of space. Your modem then decodes this signal, transforming it into the websites, videos, and emails you know and love. This two-way communication allows you to send data back to the satellite, and ultimately back to the global internet network. It's a cosmic game of catch, played at the speed of light. Not all satellites are created equal. Some orbit closer to Earth, while others dwell in the far reaches of space. We categorize them by their orbital altitude: low Earth orbit, medium Earth orbit, and geostationary Earth orbit. Each orbit offers unique advantages and disadvantages for delivering internet from space. Low Earth orbit satellites are the speed demons of the bunch, zipping around Earth every 90 minutes or so. This proximity translates to lower latency, meaning less lag time between clicking a link and seeing the page load. Medium Earth orbit satellites, as their name suggests, occupy a middle ground. They orbit higher than LEO satellites, but lower than GEO satellites, offering a balance between latency and coverage. Geostationary Earth orbit satellites are the masters of persistence. They orbit at the same speed as Earth's rotation, making them appear stationary from the ground. This allows for continuous coverage of a specific area, but at the cost of higher latency. Choosing the right orbit is crucial for delivering a seamless internet experience. Getting these satellites into their designated orbits is no easy feat. It requires the power of rockets, precise calculations, and a whole lot of engineering ingenuity. LEO satellites, being the closest to Earth, are the easiest and cheapest to launch. However, their lower orbit means they need to be constantly replaced as they lose altitude and burn up in the atmosphere. MEO satellites strike a balance between launch cost and lifespan, making them a popular choice for many satellite internet providers. Launching GEO satellites is the most challenging and expensive endeavor. Their high orbit requires powerful rockets and complex maneuvers. However, once in position, GEO satellites can operate for decades, providing long-term, stable internet coverage. Satellite internet offers a beacon of hope for a more connected future. Its ability to reach even the most remote corners of our planet is unmatched by any other technology. This opens up a world of possibilities, from providing education and healthcare to empowering businesses and communities. However, satellite internet is not without its challenges. Latency, especially with GEO satellites, can be a major drawback for activities requiring real-time interaction, like online gaming or video conferencing. Weather conditions can also affect signal strength, leading to disruptions in service. Furthermore, satellite internet is generally more expensive than traditional broadband, making it inaccessible to some. Despite these challenges, the potential of satellite internet is undeniable. As technology advances and the cost of launching satellites decreases, we can expect to see even faster and more reliable satellite internet in the years to come. New constellations of satellites are being deployed, promising global coverage and speeds rivaling those of fiber optic cables. Imagine a world where everyone, regardless of location, has access to the vast resources and opportunities available online. This is the future that satellite internet is helping to create. It's a future where education knows no boundaries, where healthcare reaches even the most isolated communities, and where the sum of human knowledge is just a click away. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration and technological innovation, one thing is certain. The future of internet connectivity is bright and it's beaming down from above. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one.